Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice 10 very short conversations. Set 40. Okay, let's start. It's a nice day today. It sure is. Want any more? Yes, that would be great. These ducks are hungry. Watch your hands. Pass me the ball. Take the shot. This place is messy. Let's get this place cleaned up. This is wonderful. Ice cream is my favorite. Pose, hold, and balance. This is great exercise. The weather is perfect. This is fun. What should we do today? Want to catch a movie? What are you reading? I'm checking my email. More practice. It's a nice day. It's a nice day. It's a nice day. It's a nice day. Want any more? Want any more? Want any more? Want any more? Watch your hand. Watch your hand. Watch your hand. Watch your hand. Pass the ball. Pass the ball. Pass the ball. Pass the ball. This place is messy. This place is messy. This place is messy. This place is messy. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. This is great exercise. This is great exercise. This is great exercise. This is great exercise. This is fun. This is fun. This is fun. This is fun. Wanna catch a movie? Wanna catch a movie? Wanna catch a movie? Wanna catch a movie? What are you reading? What are you reading? What are you reading? What are you reading? Okay, great job. And please don't forget to ring that bell to get all of my videos, and check that box to get my updates. And for flashcards and worksheets, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks a lot. Take it easy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.